In order to not be afraid, you have to know more about this technology than you've ever had to know about technology, because you didn't have responsible PC, you didn't have responsible cloud. And in 3 decades, I've never stood in front of a client and been able to say, this technology will change everything about your business positively if you do it right.
I mean, think if you're a CEO, and I remember the day we started talking about ChatGPT. It was like you would flip the switch, and like these CEOs, the day before, never said AI or it was something off in the future. Suddenly it's here and now, and you better be up to speed or you're going to lose. Right?
Yeah.
Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another CYPRX video banger. What a way to start this video breakdown. Flip the switch, ladies and gentlemen. We were never making that terminology up. It was created by the systemically important individuals, the large organizations, to tell you what is happening behind the scenes. In today's video breakdown, we're going to do an information dump as to what's really taking place given this digital transformation and this era of technological innovation that we are currently witnessing firsthand. As early adopters, I cannot stress enough how important it is for you to be paying attention to this digital transformation. Many blessings to you all. Welcome back. Smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you enjoy these information updates, showing you all the realest information behind the scenes, things that the mainstream media are never going to cover. So we started the video breakdown with that overall statement from the Accenture CEO, pretty much stating what we've been talking about and confirming with the gentleman on the news platform, that those companies, i.e. individuals, us as early investors, if we do not adapt to this technological transformation, we will fall behind. We've been attempting to show you guys that that has been the narrative.
We think it's going to completely change worldwide supply chains. If you're not operating at the edge of innovation or technology, you need to be prepared to be commoditized or potentially to become extinct.
The thing you also have to realize is this: the ball's in your court. You need to either embrace it or left behind.
You would flip the switch, and like these CEOs, the day before, never said AI or it was something off in the future. Suddenly it's here and now, and you better be up to speed or you're going to lose. Right?
Yeah.
But again, the vast majority of individuals are brainwashed. They're manipulated by mainstream media agendas. They're not paying attention to what's actually happening behind the scenes. So if you're not too familiar as to what's going on currently as we speak, the annual meeting at Davos 2024 is taking place, where all of these global leaders, these systemically important organizations, jurisdictions, governmental entities, financial players, whatever the case may be, i.e. the people that run the freaking world, okay, they're in Switzerland for the World Economic Forum annual meeting. And here you can see this is directly from the International Finance Corporation. So you can see what it is that they're talking about. They are talking about innovation and tangible solutions around global growth and jobs, AI, and digital transformation. Pay attention to this video breakdown. Even if, again, this is not a bullish moon boy video breakdown, I'm not going to sit here and give you all price projections, but forward looking into the future, this is just more confirmation as to where and what direction we are headed in. This type of technology, i.e., remember I told you guys in a previous video breakdown, if you've been a subscriber of the CYPRX platform, what should you be paying attention to? Web3, crypto, CBDCs, stablecoins, artificial intelligence, data analytics, digital identity, carbon credits, right? The list goes on. Pay attention to these things, people, okay? This is the new wave of technological innovation. And if you are not paying attention and adapting to these new technologies, you will fall behind. I cannot stress enough. Just like these organizations will most likely fall behind and disappear, they'll fall off the face of this earth. This is a life-changing opportunity, once-in-a-lifetime changing opportunity that Web3 brings. And as early adopters, we have the opportunity to capitalize on these emerging technologies. Now, we can see here, this is a post from the International Monetary Fund. I'm just going to do an information dump along with some video clips and some video reels to kind of collab with what it is that I'm showing you all. We know that we've heard representatives, highly reputable individuals, talk about how artificial intelligence and cryptocurrencies are the next transformative wave of technological adoption.
But to answer your question, I fundamentally believe that there are two major revolutions taking place in technology: distributed computing, Web3 crypto, and then machine learning, AI.
We've also heard individuals confirm that we are entering into this realistic reality where Ready Player One is going to become realer than ever before.
Which the market demands. The fourth industrial revolution, we're all going online, the Matrix, Ready Player One, all that stuff that we thought was so far out in the future, like we are heading along that curve. So for us, we've developed...
Artificial intelligence is coming. New IMF research shows how the world's wealthier economies, including advanced and some emerging market economies, are better equipped for its adoption than low-income countries. We know that there is a digital transformation amongst poor people. We've heard that before.
So if we're going to do this stuff, if we're going to have a digital transformation and financial inclusion for poor people.
We've heard that before, okay? We're not making this stuff up. We're just here to show you this information. This is directly from the International Monetary Fund. This is the stuff, people, that you should be paying attention to, not the mainstream media. So here at CYPRX, we're just in an attempt to bring you this information. This is recent, January 14th, 2024, fresh off the books. Artificial intelligence has the potential to reshape the global economy, especially in the realm of labor markets, right? We've been talking about how AI is going to replace jobs in the future.
I would divide the risks of AI into three categories. So there's the super big time risk, like existential risk, AGI kills everybody. Then there's risk that society is majorly disrupted, which is, AGI takes everyone's jobs, but there's no UBI in Addis Ababa or Kigali, so people just starve, right? And then there's...
Which is why it's absolutely essential right now for you to learn how to make money online from home, i.e. trading, investing, growing your wealth by creating or starting a, recession-proof business. Things are about to change, people. A lot is about to transform over the next couple of years. And if you're not ready, I promise you, people, you're going to be looking back in 4 to 5 years like, dang, I should have learned how to make internet money. I should have learned how to trade. I should have learned how to become a profitable investor. So that way, when this digital transformation comes into play, you are still alive and thriving. There are some consistent patterns in concerning AI exposure, with specifically women and college-educated individuals more exposed but also better poised to reap AI benefits, and older workers potentially less able to adapt to the new technology. Labor income inequality may increase if the complementary between AI and high-income workers is strong. You can see right here, IMF Blog. Do you remember an IMF spring meeting back in 2023? I cannot play the sound, but I will play the video clip for you all, so pay attention. They opened the annual meeting with an artificial intelligence that openly said to the world, those individuals that adapt and adopt these new technologies, i.e. AI, will thrive, will benefit. And then it reversed course and said, those that do not, ... frowny face, right? An artificial intelligence said that to the entire world. Now look, okay, this is now January 14, 2024. AI will transform the global economy. AI will affect almost 40% of jobs around the world, replacing some and complementing others. We need a careful balance of policies to tap into its potential. We are on the brink of a technological revolution that could jumpstart productivity, boost global growth, and raise incomes around the world. Yet, it could also replace jobs and deepen inequality. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has captivated the world, causing both excitement and alarm, and raising the important question about its potential impact in the global economy. The net effect is difficult to foresee, as AI will ripple through economies in complex ways. This is coming, people, okay? In a new analysis from the IMF, staff examined the potential impact of AI on the global labor market. Many studies have predicted the likelihood that jobs will be replaced by AI, i.e. 40%, as of according to this report. The findings are striking. Almost 40% of the global employment is exposed to AI. Historically, automation and information technology have tended to affect routine tasks, but one of the things that sets AI apart is its ability to impact high-skilled jobs. As a result, advanced economies face a greater risk from AI. So if you work a job that could potentially be replaced by AI, think about it. Just think about what you do for a living. Could it be replaced by AI? That means if you work a low income paying job, right? For example, like a service checkout clerk or somebody that works at a fast food restaurant or anybody, just literally just think about your job. Could it be replaced by AI? Then most likely it will over the next, let's just say 3 to 5 to 7 years max, heading into the 2030 agenda. Okay. You think it's a joke? Just go look into this stuff a little bit further. This is why I've been attempting to tell you guys to tap in, learn new skills, learn how to progress outside of your 9 to 5 job in some way, shape, or form. Okay. But also more opportunities to leverage its benefits. In the advanced economies, about 60% of jobs may be impacted by AI. Okay. We're going to stop right there. I feel like that's enough from this particular fundamental PDF. Now, going on to this, okay? While at Davos, our chair and chief executive officer, Julia Sweet, met with CNBC's Squawk Box to discuss the potential of AI to reinvent the future of business. In the interview you heard from the beginning of this video clip, she said this technology will change everything about your business positively if you do the right thing. So what do you think as early investors it's going to do for you long-term investing in this technology? Obviously, of course, manage your risk properly and do research on the companies that could potentially survive long-term. But now is the time in the early stages of adoption. Okay. Here is a direct article from Accenture, January 12th, 2024, recent reinventing in the age of generative AI. Pay attention to some of these key highlights. Generative AI represents a clear opportunity. They're not hiding this information. Remember, the vast majority of individuals, the 9 to 5 working class, the average herd, they're not going to go and open the Accenture.com website and read this stuff. They don't even know most likely that this stuff exists. You watching this video is probably going to get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 views max, are tapped the F in. So take advantage of this opportunity by joining a community like CYPRX, by doing research, by understanding what investment opportunities lie in the now, so that way you can capitalize on this massive transfer of wealth that is about to come into fruition over the next couple. I'm tired of saying it. I feel like I'm beating a dead horse. Holy crap, people. Okay. We predict, i.e. Accenture, that over the coming 12 to 24 months, right? Look at this. That's a year to 2 years. There will be a significant uptick in companies who embrace generative AI as a catalyst for reinvention. So understand that if you do invest in these technological, advancements, it's not going to be some overnight get rich quick scheme. This is an investment for the future. For all of this to really come into fruition, it's going to take time. And understand that these time projections are here. We're looking at a 2025, 2026, and beyond agenda here, okay? Why is generative AI different from other technological innovations we've seen in recent years? This technology has the power to reinvent every facet of an organization. This is new. Through our work, we see empirical evidence that this trend is already in motion, particularly as generative AI rapidly disrupts every industry. Scrolling down here, it says, industry giants are not standing still. So as a manual retail investor, what should you not be doing? Standing still, reading or watching a video breakdown like this, hopping off of the YouTube channel, and then doing absolutely nothing. Okay? That is going to get you wrecked. That is going to take you nowhere. Take initiative. I cannot stress enough. Unlike the digital revolution, the largest companies are taking an early lead, leveraging their substantial investment in building their digital cores and resources. So they are early adopters. And if you are investing in this space now, whether it be in crypto-related artificial intelligence companies, or just utilizing artificial intelligence to enhance your human capabilities, you are taking initiative. You are an early adopter, and I salute you. I congratulate you, because you are going to be at the forefront of this technological transformation. Generative AI is not your average technology revolution. In the last several decades, we have not seen a technology that has the potential to impact materially every aspect of a company, okay? So those statements from Accenture are absolutely massive. Heading over here to this fundamental PDF, Technology Vision 2024. This is also recent from the 9th of January. And we can see here, what is it saying? Technology is becoming human by design. And enterprises that prepare now will win in the future. AI is starting to reason like us, and will soon comprise entire ecosystems of AI agents who will work with one another and act for people and organizations alike. That's massive. The challenge of tech not understanding us and our intent is disappearing. Machines are getting much better at interacting with humans on their level. This is a moment for reinvention, right? Look at that right there, that one sentence. Reinvent yourself. Go out of your comfort zone, start to do research, look at these documents, watch the CYPRX YouTube, join our private community where we have a vast amount of information and knowledge that you can tap into to pick and choose what you want to dabble into. You don't just have to choose artificial intelligence or cryptocurrency. There's such a vast amount of opportunities in this technological transformation that we are experiencing that you could potentially partake in, especially if you take an interest in it. Like maybe,
you know, we're in the midst of what I'd argue is the fourth industrial revolution, right? If the first one was steam power and the second was electric, and you know, those really changed the pace and scale of human production.
in the coming years, businesses will have an increasing powerful array of technologies at their disposal that will open new pathways to unleash greater human potential and productivity along with creativity. So remember, in previous video breakdowns, I said you don't have to invest in this space. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm not sitting here telling you guys go out and buy up crypto-related assets in the AI niche. I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy shares or stocks in artificial intelligence, right? But what I am asking that you all take it upon yourself to do is dabble into artificial intelligence. How can it enhance your productivity as a human being, right? Who will be included in the digital transformation? The people that participate in the now. You most likely watching this video breakdown, unless you watch this video breakdown, accumulate all this information and do nothing with it, then you are the one participating. Who will be included in this digital transformation? Okay, that's us. That's the people that are tapped in. In this moment of reinvention, enterprises have the chance to build a strategy that maximizes human potential and erase the friction between people and technology. The future will be powered by artificial intelligence, but must be designed for human intelligence. And as a new generation of technology gives enterprises the power to do more, every choice they make matters. Again, every choice they make matters. They're telling you all right now, i.e. they're talking about enterprises and businesses, but you can relate the same terminology and vocab to you as an individual. That much more too, the world is watching. Will you be a role model or a cautionary tale that falls behind, right? 93% of executives agree that rapid technologies and technological advancements is more important than ever before for organizations to innovate with purpose. So I will leave you all with that. Many blessings to you guys. I'm just attempting to show you all what these large financial organizations, i.e. Accenture, that helps governmental entities with digital transformation is telling you all. This is not freaking make-believe. This is not conspiracy theory. Yes, it's slow on the back end. With all of this in mind, many blessings to you guys. Please be cognizant, be aware out there. Make sure that before you hop off this platform, you are subscribed so that way you don't miss any further video breakdowns. Do us a favor. It goes a very long way. Smash that thumbs up button. It helps boost and push these videos out to more like-minded individuals like yourselves, and we really do appreciate it. As always, I will see you all in the next video breakdown.